Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Hauntophobia. Right now we're standing in one of the oldest sawmills, I guess in Canada.
Yeah.
It's been shut down since 1958. It's actually considered one of the creepiest places in Canada. And here we are standing here. Took us a hell of a long time to get up here. We got lost at one point, but we ended up finding it. And so we are going to do an investigation and see what we can find here. There's not a lot of history on hauntings, but it is the creepiest place in Ontario or Canada, so we'll find out. Patty's already picking up something within this place, and actually she was saying that somebody's watching us from the outside. So we'll let her do her thing. We'll get started. We're not exactly sure how long we'll be here because unfortunately
I'm scared to death.
she's scared to death, and honestly the floor is not that safe. It seems like it's a fairly decent size, but we will find out what it's like. So let's get started. You ready?
Yeah. I always use my crystal for protection because I can't take any chances. But I'm going to tell you, whenever we came in here, even when we were coming down the hill, after the scare we had tonight, when you took us to the middle of nowhere, I thought we're good. But I feel like there's somebody watching us. There's more than one person watching us.
I just heard
I can hear somebody in the woods. And I don't think it's animals. We've only seen one animal. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
There's somebody here. And I'm fucking scared to death. That came from over here.
I'm hearing voices too.
Me too. Did you hear that?
I understand why this is considered one of the creepiest places in Canada, because it is. And hopefully we'll be able to cover most of it, but the floor is very unsafe. So
I almost feel like you're saying there was cement under this floor, but
Yeah.
I feel like there was water at one point.
actually there is a little bit of water.
Oh.
It's about half a foot. It's about half a foot. It's about half a foot. But see, there's rocks right there. So
I feel like there's men arguing over here.
okay.
I feel
Might
like
be able to get up there. Wonder if we will be able to get up to the top floor. Be careful, Ace.
see, there's water under here.
Yeah, it's not very much.
But
Oh.
I feel like we're moving, and I feel like we're being threatened by something inside.
Shape up here. It's fairly thick.
Come on, Cece. Please be careful, Jesus. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, there was definitely a passing of a man here connected to the sawmill over an argument. What is that over there?
It's a
Do you see
smokestack.
that?
It's a smokestack.
So this is safe?
Yeah.
Because I almost feel like I'm so scared, but not of this, but not of this, but not of this, of the guy that's watching us.
Is it just one person?
Well, right here, somebody passed, and I don't know how much research that we could find. There was a fight over something here. I want to go to where they were arguing. This one here.
Just hold up for a second, yeah?
Oh,
So be careful with this one.
okay. No.
It's just got a
You know what?
creak.
If you come over here, it comes into the ground.
Walk
Comes
on
onto
this.
the ground. Or we can go down here. Let's go down here. And it hits ground.
Oh, pass me my phone. There's somebody down there, Brian. There's somebody down there. There's actually a little girl down there. Little boy. See? My camera's focusing in on something besides your shadow. There's
Okay, so let me get the
somebody down there.
picture down there.
How safe is that upstairs? I don't feel safe here. And not because of the rickety structure. Because of whatever's watching us.
Okay, so let's go down here. Because this turns into ground right here. This is awesome. This is awesome. We can't get up that way.
You can.
We can, yeah. Let me
There's a
take a look.
whole-
There's somebody up there.
Is there?
And it looks like a nun.
You want to put the camera up there to see if you can see anything?
Oh my god. What is that there? Is that like lights? Did you see that?
No.
It's hard to get up there. We'll go up the other one.
It looked like a car lights.
This is absolutely amazing, guys. So, what else are you getting, Patty?
You guys might have to speak up, by the way, because of the water.
Yeah.
If that water starts getting loud, we're out of here. Okay.
Okay.
So this must have been some kind of busy per day. But this is an energy imprint. So this must have been the main industry for this town at one point.
Yes, it
But
was.
I feel like there was a lot of arguments and disputes over money. And over somebody went, they were either through accident, they fell in the river, or they were killed. Did you just hear that? Did you hear that screeching? Did you hear that? Did you hear that screeching, Ace?
Nope.
We're okay. You're okay. This is a comprehensive.
Try to stand up back. Just a touch more because you're really close.
Did you hear the screeching? It sounded like a kid.
Why don't we try to do a spirit box here?
I feel like somebody is like watching us and they're pacing back and forth mad. I keep hearing somebody screeching. Are you guys hearing that? Did you hear the screeching? Did you hear that?
I heard that. What was that? It sounded like a bang.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Like there was somebody over there.
Okay. If there's somebody in here, we'd like to speak to you. You can let us know who you are. If you don't want us here, you can let us know. But tell us something. My name's Brian, this is Patty, this is Cece, and this is Ace. We'd like to know your name. We'd like to know who's in here. So speak into this and we'll be able to understand you. Let me give you the K2.
I can hear them screaming, eh? Can you hear that? Like I can hear the spirits screaming, but it's like a high-pitched scream.
I'll
Hello?
tell you one thing, it's humid. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on now. Get out. What is your name? Tell us your name. Are you male or female?
There's something very evil here.
Are you male or female? Tell it. Tell us your name. Sound like Bob. Is your name Bob? Yeah. Why are you here? Death. Did you die here? Well, if he's Spanish, he just said sí.
I'm waiting
That
for
was
somebody
C.
to pop out of the thing.
What was
there.
funny was I was thinking that exact same thing.
We're not here to hurt you. Okay? 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 We just want to look at the place.
That sounds different than like it's not right.
We're here to respect you, and we want you to respect us. To respect us. To respect us. So tell us your name, please.
Did you just say Addison?
Can you repeat that? No.
Are you friendly? Are you here because you're stuck? Light up these buttons.
Are you friendly? Tell us if you're friendly. Are we okay here? Do you want us to leave?
There's something so bad here.
Do you want us to leave?
It's going off.
Wow.
Are you upstairs? Do you want-
I felt like somebody's walking, and I just felt like I was bouncing.
I'm scared. Why do I let you talk me into this stuff?
Should we be scared? Yeah. Why? Is there a demon here?
Were you watching us out?
It's a monster.
Were you watching us outside?
Were you watching us outside?
There's somebody upstairs.
I'm gonna try to get upstairs.
Good luck with that.
Well, there's stairwells at the other end. Is there anybody upstairs? Are you down here? Tell us where you are.
There's no electricity here.
No. Okay, let's walk on a little bit. I'm gonna turn this off. Goodbye.
Maybe I'll leave this
Sure.
on.
No and sure. No and sure, it said.
Can you light this up? Tell me if you're behind Ace. Pretty sure it's behind you, Ace. Are you watching us? Are you watching us? I'm telling you, it's nothing friendly behind you. So there's a man here, and he's like full of powerful, angry energy.
Okay.
And he seems to be looking at Ace. He's like behind him.
And this is going off.
It's going off like crazy. And it's because I feel as though, are we on your space? Are we in your property? Says yes.
Just went. Did you work here? Did you work at this sawmill? If you did, go up to yellow.
Did you work here? We're being watched from every area.
How many
because-
spirits do you think are here?
A lot. I'd say probably at least, like I can hear them walking upstairs, like angry. So there was a fight over money here, and they left. Did you guys fight over money before you left? Are you here to frighten us? Watch. They're up the stairs.
Well, you can't get up that way.
Are you
gotta go up here.
upstairs? They don't want us here, right? This place is seriously creepy. Right up here. Do you hear that?
I hear a lot of things.
Come on, Cece. We got you. What's up there, Brian?
Not a lot of anything.
So, those stairs do not look safe, eh?
They are safe.
Okay, Brian's the boss. Oh my God. There's not much of anything, really? Because there's a spirit doorway. Oh my God, I can't even breathe up here. Can you imagine how many people must have died building this?
Hello?
Did you go with the spirit here? It was going off like crazy and then it stopped, really. Whew. Somebody's touching my back. I'm not liking it. Get a picture up there.
Yeah, when I came up here, I thought I saw something dash across.
Did you ever hear of the Mothman prophecies? Look at it. Look. There's a spirit that just keeps shooting back and forth. It's like, what do you want?
I think I got an orb.
Was there women here?
Right here.
Oh, it's like a person, not an order. What's that red on the floor? Can you tell us why you're still here? See that? Somebody's talking to us. Put their thing on. Yeah, because they're around. Were you murdered here? Do you hear them talking? I can hear them talking.
I got chills going down my spine.
Because there's a woman standing behind you to keep you safe.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am absolutely positive. She knows you're
Try
scared.
not to shake the camera too much.
There was a man.
You're not.
He was the boss.
Okay.
And he was intimidating. Look at him. Look. And he
Oh, wow.
keeps
Look at that.
coming at you. And she's keeping you safe.
Look at how much it's going off.
Yeah, because he's here.
Okay.
And we're
we wanna
telling him we're
we
not
want to talk
afraid.
to you. Can you come closer?
If he gets any closer, he'll eat your soul.
Yeah.
If you still have one.
Okay, I'm going to turn the... My name's Brian. This is Patty. This is Cece. This is Ace. We'd like to know your name. I'm going to turn this on.
That sounds like a voice of evil, motherfucker.
Tell us your
I think
name.
I want to leave now.
Are you evil? I feel like my head's like... I feel like I got pressure on my head. Are you touching me?
I feel like we're surrounded.
You're touching me, aren't you? Are we okay here? Are we safe here?
No, we're not.
How many spirits are here? 10.
Did you hear
That was definitely 10.
Should we leave?
Do you want us to leave? We're gonna stay. No. What happens if we stay?
I don't think that is.
Okay. Talk to us. Tell us your name. There's a man talking over there.
I hear all kinds of people here, right?
There's a man talking over there.
Somebody did like a Ouija board here, a seance here, just like we were talking about. The owner of this place is not happy. Are these symbols on the wall?
Die. Good Lord. Did you hear that? That was.
Of
That
course
just
I
said
know
to
that.
die. It went die.
Did that say grandma? Or am I like going crazy?
Did you say? Did you say grandma? Is there anybody standing beside us right now? Yes or no?
They're over there yelling, eh? I'm not.
Okay, so what it will
going
get
over
you to
there.
do? We'll get you to stay here. You're gonna stay with her. I'm gonna bring Ace down this way, I guess.
So if we run, you fuckers are on your own. Where's your car key?
Oh shit, no.
Yeah, that's where we were before, and I couldn't get up.
Ah,
So this is the only we just lived.
yeah, look at the wood planer. You know how many people have like injured or lost their limbs here? Oh my god, that window is creepy. Some shots
wonder
of light are dead.
If I'm gonna put, I wonder, I'm putting the thermal on. What
Yeah,
the
I
fuck
was
was
gonna
that?
think that.
Did you hear that?
They just said Trevor. Trevor. You know?
Actually, yes. It was, I believe it was, I believe it was the Thompsons. I believe it was the Thompsons. I believe it was the Thompsons. We'll have to check on that. Okay, so let me get out the, I'm gonna get out the thermal.
Did we go downstairs yet?
We
No.
started
I
downstairs.
feel like somebody keeps coming up with like looking and saying hello. And I feel really sick to my stomach. So, you know, when people die, sometimes they go back to where they had fun or issues, war, anger. I feel like there was a lot of unrest in this place before a lot of them left, right? And I feel like that's over there.
I tell you this much, this place is awesome.
According to who?
Well, no, it's just absolutely
Look, it's
incredible.
going crazy. Ace, every time you go over that spot, they don't like you over there, right? So it makes me wonder what's there. I feel like I
I say
can't
don't
breathe.
risk it because the floor is quite weak here.
Well, you've went over there twice and the light has started to go off like crazy. So be very careful. Maybe are you warning Ace? Are you warning Ace of danger? Woo! Somebody like poked me in the back. Is that your thumb?
Yeah, that was my
Oh,
thumb.
look at how yellow it is. What color is it supposed to be?
Probably supposed to be it could be either a yellow color or reddish color. So, like, for example,
Why is it all purple?
we got the light there.
Yeah.
See, it's going to be more of a yellowish color, or
Okay.
yellowish red. See my thumb? Because I'm
Okay.
giving off a lot of heat, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Don't go
weird.
towards the door.
What door?
That door. There's something evil there. See how yellow it is? That's not a nice color.
There's something right there. Something. See right here.
Yeah, I can see
There's something
it.
standing right there. Right there. Just moved over
Oh
here.
my god, I can see it. Look at that, Cece.
Can you see it? Come on
Look,
over here.
look. You can see it.
It's moving back and forth. Now it's right here.
Are you recording this?
Yes, I am. It's right here. It was over here. It was there. And now it's moved over here. Now it's gone.
Oh, it's like it's switching colors. Oh, that's the
He's-
color. We want to know who's here.
So when I point over here, when I point the camera over here, it goes really fuzzy. But when I come back over here, it's perfectly fine.
I'm like trembling.
Look. What is that?
I don't know.
Here we go. Here we go.
There's something
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah, something. There's an energy ball right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's two.
There was one, now there's two.
No, look. Look what,
Yeah, there
But
was.
that one's fading in and out though. Whatever it is.
but this right here
Yeah,
is moving. And there's an energy ball right here.
I can
Now
see
it could be the light.
Look at the way the K2 meter.
Definitely not right. No.
Right here.
That looks like two people. Look.
Yeah. Can you come closer?
Are you crazy? Oh my god, it's
Oh.
coming closer. No. Because I'm about to fucking run. Look, right here. It looks like a person right here. Moving towards us.
Here, I'm going to go over here.
Do you see that?
I'm going to go over here. Can you come closer?
There.
I'd like you to touch me.
Hang on.
It's okay. I give you permission.
I don't know what that is, but it's black now.
You know what
Whatever
it
was
is?
there.
It's that hole.
Yeah, but it went black now.
Yeah, it's
It was yellow.
yellow is the next hole over to the left. That second hole. That's still yellow.
Yeah, but that one's gone black.
Can you talk to us? Can you let us know that you're here? Give us a sign.
It's not even turning yellow anymore.
Oh,
There it goes. So there's something that keeps coming in and out of that
Yeah.
hole.
Can you move something? Can you bang something? Maybe even throw something. Let us know that you're here. Don't be scared. We're not here to hurt you.
Do you see it, Ace? It's like doing all these weird things. Look at it. There's something walking there beside Brian. See those lines?
Let's do another spirit box. I just
And
heard somebody.
here.
I just heard somebody go, yeah.
Oh my god.
Did you just say yes? Yes, and then that just said get out.
I just want to switch hands.
Okay, tell us how many spirits are here.
What do you want?
How many spirits are here? Said 10 again. There's 10 spirits here? Yeah. Tell us your name. One of the spirits. Tell us your name.
What did they say?
Doug? Pete? Is there a Doug and Pete here? That just said fuck you.
That's what I heard.
How about, you know what? We're not here to hurt you. We want to respect you. Okay? So respect us. You don't have to be nasty.
Look, it's going crazy. Look. They don't want us here.
I don't want me.
Well, we didn't drive all the way here.
Do you
just
want
to-
us to leave?
Do you want us to leave? That said leave.
Look, look. Somebody's coming, and it's not a good feeling. Somebody bad's coming.
The spirits are here. Are you trapped here?
Is the boss coming?
Is the boss coming? Do you want us to leave?
Light this up to red if you want us to leave. Are we disturbing you?
If you want us to leave, go up to red.
It's dead silent now. That's not a good sign.
Did you hear that? It said red. We gotta, like, I just...
Well, hopefully we're catching something off the mic. And it seems to...
Somebody keeps, like, touching me.
yeah, I
Poking
just
me.
felt like something here. Did you just touch me? Yes.
There's something evil here.
Okay, we're gonna leave. Do you want us to leave? Do you want us to leave?
Look, look. Ask again. Yes.
Do you want us to leave? Is there a demon here?
Something keeps touching me.
Is there a male or
again.
female here?
It's freaking me right out. Like it's poking me.
Is there a female here? Or just male? Just said- that just said, when I asked that question, it just said leave it. So I'm assuming that means you don't need to ask that question.
Yep. That means it's time to leave.
Cece, what's wrong?
It's getting
Okay,
dead.
I'm going to turn this off. Goodbye. Oh, wow. Did you hear that?
What?
Right when I turned it off, I heard a ah. Right behind you.
My phone keeps turning on, and I'm not clicking. the
Look,
button.
it's still going. Okay, you can have this creepy haunted thing back. I feel like somebody is gonna chase us.
If you want us to leave, turn it up to yellow. If you want us to leave, turn it up to yellow. This color right here, turn it up to yellow. I keep on hearing a man's voice.
Me too.
It's not mine, it's not Ace's.
It's not my ex.
Okay. Well, oh wow, there's this like a flashlight right there. I just saw a white light right there.
Kind of like the one I seen earlier.
Well, you know what, guys? honestly, this has been fantastic. I love this place.
That's because there's something wrong with you.
I'm saying,
I'm
this
very
is amazing.
scared.
It's amazing place. This is absolutely amazing. You know what? I think we captured something off the Necrophonic. We definitely were getting spikes off the K2.
And
Hopefully
there's-
we caught something off the mic.
We're definitely
maybe
being
the
watched.
what's it called? Thermal.
The thermal, we
camera.
got stuff off the
Looks like
thermal.
we're getting stuff.
This is absolutely amazing place. I wouldn't highly suggest it for everyone
No.
because
not
it's
for the faint
it's
of
definitely,
heart.
you know what, it's definitely not safe. But it can, how unsafe can it be? Because there's a beer can right there.
Yeah, but that's a young guy, stole beer from his dad, with no common sense.
So what do you think? What are you thinking?
So I'm going to tell you, I really hope that we never come back here, but I can tell you for sure, we are not alone here.
Yeah, how many?
Like-
Now, it did say there was 10 spirits, so do you think there's more than 10 here?
Probably much more. And I'd be really curious to see about, you know what, if there was a lot of anger dispersed during the time of this. Maybe there was a lot of fights. I'm not sure.
Well, I know at the time there, before it closed, there was a struggle to keep it open. So,
So we're afraid of
and
money.
also one of the reasons why they had a hard time keeping it open was because there wasn't many people in the town. People were leaving the town. So it was struggling that way. But I think there was, we could definitely do our research, guys, and find out. And if we do find out more, we will put it at the end of the video, or I will put it in the description.
Yeah.
But this has been absolutely fantastic, guys. Definitely seeing shadows. Hopefully we caught something on camera. We've been seeing shadows everywhere.
Yeah. Shadow people. They're out.
But this place is definitely interesting, and it's hard to say. And this abandoned ghost town is absolutely amazing. And I
So-
think that's a population of 2 people. So I think we'll cut it off here.
And the both of them are waiting outside for us
Yeah.
right now. You're
Yeah.
going first.
So I think we'll cut it here and say thank you for watching this episode. Again, I've said it before, if you guys can subscribe to our channel, that would really help us out. If you can like and you can also share. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And until next time, guys, have a good night. See you later.
Good night.
Okay.
Who's going first?
Me.
I want to be in the middle.